Hello everyone, welcome to a new session of Shore Sir classes. And in this tutorial we are discussing about the history part of WBCS 2019's questions. We are dealing with set A, and the first question of this session is you can see here, the first question is: the Indian National Congress represented the views of a microscopic minority in India. This contention was mentioned by whom? Is it options within this four? And the answer is Lord Dufferin. Okay, in the option D. First, Lord Dufferin initially did not take Congress much seriously. Then there was a blast, and all of a sudden pamphlet appeared titled "The Rising Tide." Right here, "The Rising Tide," and another pamphlet appeared titled as "An Old Man's Home." And these were against the British, and Lord Dufferin took no time to react and express objection to this mischief. He initially called Congress as a representative of microscopic minority of India, but later in the fourth session of Allahabad, the government servants were disallowed to take part in the proceedings of the Congress. Okay. So for this question, answer is Lord Dufferin. And after that, we can go for next question. Now, the famous line, "At the stroke of midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom," was said by Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, and he said those lines during the Independence Day speech in the 15th August 1947 at 12 a.m. in the night. And suddenly it's a very sad line, by the way, and a very achievement of Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister in the Indian subcontinent who ruled democracy in this country, which our others relative countries can't do that, and that's the very big point in case of Jawaharlal Nehru as Prime Minister. So let us move to the next question. Now a short question from geography, and which is concerned the Shillong is situated on which hills? So you must want to know. Say Shillong is situated on the Khasi Hills, or we can say, to be precise, in the East Khasi Hills. And basically Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, or a very small state in the India. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. If you have any question, you can call us in this number, which is 9836 793076, or you can mail your query in the this mail ID, official mail ID, which is showravsirclasses.com. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for being with us.